And welcome back to Fairfield Chiropractic Update. I'm Dr. Noah, your host, and in this article in Clinical Chiropractic 2000, Autism and Chiropractic Perspective. Yes, absolutely. Chiropractors go way beyond just pain in terms of what's called somatovisceral response. And in this study, they looked at chiropractic adjustments in autistic children over a 9-month period. And these are many of the children that were taken off Ritalin, bladder and bowel controls improved, children started to speak and eye movement better, attention span improved. And so this is what chiropractic adjustments can do. So once again, Clinical Chiropractic 2006. Keep you up to date. Talk to you soon. Thanks.